Hi everybody, all the wonderful world language teachers. I want to share with you this game that I just used for review, and it has really good feedback no matter for my Chinese 1, 2, 3, 4 and IB students, and no matter what their age groups are, they really enjoy this game. And especially we just come back from a winter break, it's hard to jump right into teaching. So I use this game as a review game and then to try to review the things that we have learned last semester. So how do you do this? You have to do ahead of time planning. So I bought these kind of like a carpet sticky thing that from Amazon. You can see it's about $10. I bought the ones with numbers. So when you play board game, they know what they are doing and which number they're going to. And I also bought this big die, inflatable big die. I hope you can see it. Also from Amazon. It's not expensive. You can find them easily by searching. This game actually from a Facebook, a business teacher, and I look at the idea, I'm thinking, hey, we can use that in our world language game. So how do you play this game? The objective is your players from each team is going to be like the pieces on the board game, and they move along the numbers that you have on the carpet. You can divide your students into different groups, no more than 4, and you ask them to follow the path that you have designed. At the beginning, have them choosing a representative as the playing piece, stand behind the starting line. They're going to answer questions in turn. You're going to show the question on your board, and if they answer question correctly, they get to use this big die to throw it. You will see the students, no matter the age group, they can throw this, and they're so fun. And if they land it on the 6, you can see the whole team members just cheering. It's really fun. So if they did not answer question correctly, they have to wait for their next turn. Okay. If they throw the number, and then they can move forward whatever show on the die. The twist here is I have tested out. I do not let them help each other, but I tell them each player you have 2 questions, and then you need to go down, and the next person come up. So it's okay if they don't understand, don't remember, because it's only 2. It's very less stressed. I have tried to help once, but then there will be one student always on the board, and there's other students have no chance. And I really want everybody to have a turn. So I tell them 2 questions, and then if you don't know, that's okay, wait for the next turn. Because this is kind of easy into the teaching, so I choose not as hard questions, but occasionally randomly there will be some a little bit harder ones. So teacher, you can control what kind of questions, or if you know this group of students come up there and which one maybe can handle the harder questions, you can do that. They will feel the victory. So you know your student better. And the little twist, you see that in my board here says, attention please. How do you make it more fun? Instead of just always advance to how many steps they show on the die, I tell them that if you throw the die, for instance 6, and you decide that you want to move forward 2, and you want your opponent to move back however number, as long as the total steps or movement is combination equals to the number on your die, you're fine. So you really see the student start strategizing and thinking, and it's really fun. And you see a student almost reach the end, and someone throw a 6, and they have to come all the way back. So this game can last anywhere between 30 minutes to 1 hour. I have a block 1 hour and 20 minutes. So I played about 2/3 of my class. So it's a fun game, very engaging, and then you can see the student, because every 2 they're switching, they're very focused. So I hope this will give you some idea, and then you can use it as your review game too. Let me know if you have questions. Thank you.